Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll study to read a text file and add all even and odd digits in it. Let us first define one function, read. DEF, read, then we have to write column. This is the syntax of a function definition. To open the source file, we have to write fh is equal to open sample.txt in R mode. We'll define two counters, sum add and sum even, and we'll initialize the value to 0. These two variables will store the sum of even and odd digits respectively. To read the file, we will use a read function which will give us a string. By using a for loop, we can read each character one by one and we will check whether the character is a digit or not by using each digit function. For I in data, we will loop through data and read one character at a time. In I, we will have a character. To check whether I is a digit or a character, we can use if I is digit. Each digit function will check if the character is a digit or not. We know for even numbers, the number should be divisible by 2. First we'll convert the character to integer, then we'll check whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. For that we will write if inti modulus 2 double is equal to 0. It will check the remainder whether it is 0 or not. If it is 0, then it is an even number. Then we will add sum even is equal to sum even plus inti. Else it will be an odd number. In else part, we will write sum odd is equal to sum odd plus inti. It is necessary to convert I to integer because it is a character value. To print the sum of even numbers and odd numbers, we have to write print within bracket sum of even numbers comma sum even and print sum of odd numbers comma sum odd. Now we'll get the sum of even numbers and odd numbers as output. We can copy the same code and do the necessary changes. Instead of even, we have to write odd. Now we'll call the read function by writing read. After else, we should give one colon. Now we'll execute the code. We got two answers. Sum of even numbers is equal to 12 and sum of odd numbers is equal to 16. Now we'll check the sample.txt file. You can see 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 16 and 2 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 12. Hope this video is beneficial to you. File handling is important for exam point of view. Thanks for watching.